भाई पैसे कैसे बनेंगे, पता नहीं कैसे बनेंगे, अरे तुम मुफ्त का क्यों दे रहे हो? So way of thinking. But we created the world's first cloud-based application. Today, cloud is a $1 trillion business. That comes from critical thinking, of thinking big. I don't like to do any business where there is a definite outcome. कि इतना पैसा लगा रहे हो, इतना वापस मिलेगा. Any business that I do, the outcome has to be unlimited. Unlimited means it can be 10 trillion. Otherwise, I'm not interested in doing it. My cells don't get charged up at all. Then it's business, यार. It's been done before. Then तो एकदम ही boring है. करना ही नहीं है मुझे. दिलचस्पी नहीं है. Maybe I'm cut off of a different cloth.
So these are the two prime differences you're saying.
Yes.
Okay. आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या यूनिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज या चैलेंजेस हैं इंडिया में, इंडियन मार्केट में एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए?
एक तो the largest number of online users in the world, English speaking, are in India. The largest percentage of Google users, largest percentage of LinkedIn, more than 50% of Facebook, more than 50% of Instagram, of 90% of WhatsApp users are in India. So India has the online market user base. Now, somebody has to think of new ideas. So the opportunity is here. They are young Gen Zs. They want to try different things. They're open to new ideas. They've jumped on the social media bandwagon like no other country in the world. There is great opportunity on the one hand, but obviously it has to be a product that has never been done before. Like one simple idea that I have, I think, and this is open for all your viewers, is I think instinct tells me that in the next 5 years or 10 years, everything has become an app. You know, transportation is an app, food is an app, marriage is an app, hooking up with people is an app, you know, e-commerce, shopping is an app. Why can we not make elections an app? We are the biggest country in the world, greatest democracy. I tried this with a former first response. It will never happen in India. His own response was never. Then his was like, has it been done anywhere before? I said, if it's been done somewhere before, then it's not innovation. Then it's copying. Why can we not have the mindset of innovating? We'll be the first country to do it. Why not? If Piyush Goyal wants us to be progressive, let him step up to the plate and say, I'll work with you. I'll create an app. Let's make elections an app.
I can see the challenges that can come in there with the
But those are minor. If you are trusting your finances on an app, elections are far away from finances.
The corruption behind it can be this thing that you're sitting in your house and...
There is no corruption. You can validate every user, have a unique photo printing, voice printing of every unique user. You'll cut down on hundreds of millions of dollars, billions of dollars, and you will lead the world in innovation. Right? I mean, we should be doing it. If the government is blaming, you don't think, work with us. Come on, I'll do it. Work with me. We will create the most robust ecosystem. Why not? If you are already giving me 10 reasons of not doing it.
I'll tell you why I'm giving you 10 reasons of not doing it. Because जब भी elections होते हैं ना, तो सबसे पहले हेल एंड क्राई होता है जब भी रिजल्ट आते हैं ईवीएम मशीन. तो जब आपका अटैक ही
But you're still
source पे,
you're still stuck in the past.
वही मैं
If अगर you are trusting your finances today to a common person, voter in India, finances are more important than who's running the country.
Correct.
Right? अगर वो finances पूरा ऐप पे trust कर रहे हैं, voting we can make it trustworthy. Why not? The challenge is to make it trustworthy, but yeah, we can do it. But why should we wait for some other country to do it? Why can we not take the lead?
Very true.
This is an example, live example.
Absolutely.
And once we do it here, we can export this to the whole world. That comes from critical thinking and original thought.
So, you think these are the only opportunities and challenges there?
No. There are so many. I'm just giving you off the cuff.
Okay.
There are 10,000.
What do you think is the vision for India's role in global business arena in the next decade?
India's role. Well, India can be the leader if it chooses to. But if it is stuck in this zero-sum game mentality, it will continue to be a zero-sum game country. It has to change its mindset, thinking.
But don't you think we're moving in that direction? Correct.
Not yet. I don't
ऐसे
see
क्यों लगता
anything.
है आपको? क्योंकि जो
Same reasons that Piyush Goyal says. जितने भी आप startups देखो, सब food delivery, app delivery, ये delivery, वो delivery, ये क्या 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes? That is not innovation. I don't see any startups that are working on critical problems.
I think there is one, the Hyperloop that Chennai-based company is working on.
वो हाइपरलूप इलॉन मस्क कर रहा है, वही चीज हम यहाँ कर रहे हैं. वो नाम भी हाइपरलूप है, नाम भी बदला नहीं है, और आप बोल रहे हो एक है. चलो एक है.
मैं तो डेविल्स एडवोकेट बन रहा हूँ इसमें.
चलो एक है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ 1000 क्यों नहीं है ऐसे, लाख ऐसे कंपनीज क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि हम डरते हैं. हमको डराया जा रहा है फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग. ये नहीं करो, ये मत करो, ऐसा हो जाएगा. अरे व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ देन? जी क्यों रहे हो?
तो जब तक सोच नहीं बदली जाएगी तब तक कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
जब तक ये डर नहीं निकाला जाएगा, नहीं जो होगा देखा जाएगा, कर लेंगे, ये मेरा आइडिया है, चलेगा. जैसे मैंने आपको अभी भी बताया, इलेक्शन का क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? कोई क्यों नहीं कर रहा? मैं करता हूं. मुझे गवर्नमेंट की सपोर्ट चाहिए, करते हैं. अगर गवर्नमेंट ही बोलेगी नहीं हम नहीं कर सकते, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, और फिर गवर्नमेंट ही क्रिटिसाइज कर रही है कि तुम आउट ऑफ बॉक्स क्यों नहीं सोच रहे, तो दैट मीन्स उनको दे themselves don't know who they are. Their vision is not clear. They are stuck in the past. We have to get out of this. We have the greatest opportunity on planet Earth.
Right now, yes.
The youngest population. Ready. Willing. Somebody needs to light a match and say, go do it. We are there to support you. वो सपोर्ट है ही नहीं ना. कोई नहीं सपोर्ट कर रहा. फैमिली नहीं सपोर्ट कर रही, फ्रेंड्स नहीं सपोर्ट करते, गवर्नमेंट नहीं सपोर्ट कर रही. इन नेम बोलते हैं हाँ सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, बट नॉट इन रियलिटी, नॉट इन काइंड. It's the subconscious support that is needed, not the conscious. Not हाँ हम आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन फेल हो गए तो हम आपको मारेंगे. अरे what kind of BS is that?
आई थिंक इसी वजह से जो गैप है टेक वर्ल्ड में, हमारे देश में और अब्रॉड में, ये बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, डिस्पाइट हम नोटिस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. क्योंकि एक नैरेटिव
ब्रिज
जो
कर
है,
सकते हैं.
ब्रिज कर सकते हैं, पर जो सवाल सरकार कई बार उठाती है कि हम क्यों एक यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, मेटा क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, वो सवाल वही उठा रहे हैं, और अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी वहां नहीं मिल रही हैं हमारे देश में.
सरकार has to look inwards at themselves, not point the blame at somebody else. Everybody is playing the blame game. Not our problem. It is your problem. You come up with a solution.
वो गैप क्या है जो आपने अभी गैप यूज, जो हम ब्रिज कर सकते हैं, वो क्या गैप है? और अगर आप
Critical thinking का गैप है, subconscious support का गैप है. I am here to support you. आपको कुछ करना है, मैं कैसे सपोर्ट कर सकता हूं? अगर गवर्नमेंट ही बोल रही है नहीं आप नहीं कर सकते, ये नहीं है, ये रूल्स आप ब्रेक करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, आप बोलोगे यार गवर्नमेंट ही नहीं सपोर्ट कर रही, क्या करेंगे? लाइक मैंने अभी एक लिंक्डइन पे आर्टिकल लिखा है. UP government has come up with a new scheme to support startups in UP. MYUVA scheme है कुछ. Mukhyamantri Yuva something scheme, where they have earmarked 100 crores to give 5 lakhs to startups, each to startups. Non-interest loan दे रहे हैं startups को. भैया लोन क्यों दे रहे हो? Loan means जीरो सम गेम मेंटालिटी। हम आपको पैसे दे रहे हैं, हम आपको, आप ही हमको पैसे वापस दे दीजिए।